how do I start ba?
Okay. Ano yung, na-deduce mo? Or what did you understand from
Alright, yung
Project
sa concept
Almanac?
of time
Oo.
traveling neto.
Oo.
Kasi okay, let's start it off with the actual story plot point muna. So,
Okay.
they started off with building the time machine and everything, all that, and going back to the past niyan.
Uh-huh.
Right? So, let's say itong green line na to is that they went back to the past where pinerfect or yung first time na lang itatry i-perfect si Quinn.
Si
So,
Quinn?
they went
So,
back,
what?
si
Quinn?
Quinn. Quinn. The douchebag that likes money.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And so, they went back to this past and ayun na nga, like, nagtuloy-tuloy na to the point na whoops, kulang yung ano niya.
Yung ano.
And I'm like, nagtataka ako like, bumalik sila sa past na to, pero asan yung bumalik dito na past where yung original, yung first time na bumalik sila. So as it turns out pala, pagbalik nito sa past nito, what actually happens is that, nasan yung eraser tool? Is that this entire
Nasaan yung
line gets
eraser?
erased instead.
Mhm.
So instead, yung original na bumalik dito, like for some fucked up reason, they fucking vanish.
Uh-huh.
So that's why, mangyari dyan is like, magtutuloy-tuloy na yan to the point na, ayun na, every time they come back, mag-iiba na yung nandito.
Yun nga yung sabi ko sa'yo. Parang nagre-reset nga sila.
Oh, parang nag-reset. Pero, pinag-isip ko is like, ano kaya nangyayari dun sa, yung original? Diba? As it turns out
I
pala,
get it
what
naman.
the machine actually does is that kung sino yung nag-time
Kung
jump,
sino yung nag-jump.
mawawala yung nag-jump from that timeline. Kapag nag-jump ulit siya pabalik. Right? Kasi nga,
Oo.
there was this one time ka, di ba, na, ayun, si David, bumalik siya to kasi,
I forgot her name already.
Jessie.
Oh my God. Ayun, si
Ayun.
Jessie. Jessie!
Came, Jessie, it's time to cook, Jessie. Pero yun na, like, siya, like, nag-time jump siya pabalik to here. Asan yung original na nag-time jump dito?
Oh, you
Nawala.
have a
So
point
that
there,
means
yeah.
nag-cancel
Yun nga
siya.
yung pinagtataka mo kanina.
Oo. So that means, siya rin bumalik. Kaya yung pinakita yung sina nag-aantay lang si Jessie na mag-isa. Kasi nawala na yung original Jessie na nag-time jump along with his friends. Yung nandun na lang is yung nag-solo time jump na Jessie. Jessie, David.
Oo, solo time jump na David. Ayun.
Solo time jump ni David. Ayun. Tapos, if we're gonna discuss ewan, I guess I could.
Yeah, go! Go!
So, yung yung sa ending naman kasi is that
Yung with his dad? Kasi nagtataka ka bakit siya nawala, right? Hindi? Okay.
No. I mean, gets ko naman kung bakit siya nawala kasi nawala na yung machine eh. So,
yeah, true.
that means wala na yung nagta-time jump motherfuckers. Let's call them time jump fuckers.
Oh my God. So, basically, his dad also used it kasi parang, ayun na nga, na-decipher niya nga
No,
daw.
his dad never used it.
So, sige nga, explain mo why was he gone then?
Sino?
His dad.
Because his dad died from a car crash. That was stated in the movie that his dad died from a car crash.
Did I not pick that up?
Yeah, you did not pick that up.
I guess I skipped that.
After he got the call from his fucking military mates, he died from a car crash. And
I see. Okay.
Quite surprisingly, David never did anything to stop that. But
guess.
to be honest,
yeah,
I understand why he didn't stop it. And magkakaroon siya ng flashpoint.
Yun na nga. It's like, Marvel thingy, the Ancient One explained that shit na baka magkaka-ripple effect nga naman ulit katulad nga ng explain ni Adam.
That's true. And David doesn't want that. Other than that, he only got the ability to jump that far after upgrading the fucking time machine.
After
which is
some
around near the end na.
Yeah. Imagine kung may Xbox ka pala, pwede mong gawin yun.
Oh my God. Fucking imagine. Xbox is a literal time warp machine. Pero yun, like, there's also the whole fucking 3 recording bullshit. Like, 3 video cameras. Like,
3? Isa
that
lang siya
shit's,
eh.
3.
3? Sure ka
No,
tatlo yun?
remember, around sa ending kasi is that may dala-dala si Chris. Tapos, yung dala-dala ni Time Jump David na naiwan doon, for some fucked up reason, hindi nawala yung time jump camera na yun.
I guess objects
Even though,
don't, I think, hindi
hindi.
siya kasama sa warp. 'Di ba sabi nila, if they're like, yun yung
No.
naiintindihan ko, basta hindi sila kasama sa diameter. Hindi sasama
Yeah.
yung, kaya, ayun. Yun yung
I mean,
naisip ko,
true,
like,
pero-
objects do not, affect it. Yun yung iniisip ko.
I guess, pero still, remember, nag-time jump si David, dala-dala niya yung camera. Like, like after siya hinahabol ng mga police and that type of shit. And that camera there was left in the basement.
Kinuha
Yung
niya.
bag,
He picked it up.
no. Look, see. Ayan, iniwan niya dito.
I can't see what the fuck you're saying because you're
Right.
streaming Clip Studio only.
Fuck. Okay.
So may pinapakita ka pala kanina tas hindi ko nakikita nung pinagsasabi mo.
Like, ayan.
Ayan.
Around this scene. Skip pa natin. Ayan. Look,
Okay.
ito yung bag. Remember, yung camera.
Yung camera na malayo sa kanya.
Oh, yung malayo sa kanya right now.
Yung kung saan nga nakalagay yung, that's what's filming him right now, yun, right?
Oh, what's filming him right now? Ayan, naiwan siya dito. Pero yung bag niya, nawala na.
Kasi nandun nga sa diameter ang kulit. Kasi malapit siya
Hindi.
sa kanya.
Hindi,
Kasi
ayun
I
na
think
nga.
nandun nga yung time machine, right? like,
Hindi, wait.
Parts of it.
That's,
Or nandun siya sa fucking trash can.
that's the thing nga. Since, wait, let me delete all this.
Okay lang yan.
Ayun na nga. So, let this red be
Be the
David
one.
and the backpack.
Okay, sige.
So,
How is
nag-time
that red?
jump
Sorry.
siya. My bad. It's not red enough.
It's
Ayan.
pink. Kaya I got
Ayan.
offended.
Red, eto si David. So, not pink, it's peach. Ayun.
Anyways.
Ayun. So, nag-time jump siya pabalik to
Mhm.
the past where his dad is alive. Tapos, dala-dala niya yung camera. Let this camera be the green one.
Okay.
So, dala-dala niya yung camera as well. So,
Uh-huh.
para silang nandito. Ayan.
Okay.
So, since tinanggal na yung green, yung source ng camera, edi dapat wala na rin parehas to. So that means both the camera and David should have disappeared. Kasi that camera came from the future. Since wala na yung time machine, it got broken in the past, that means paano mapupunta yung camera dito sa past? Since nawala na nga yung mismong time machine.
Yung iniisip ko talaga, it's within the diameter. Yun lang talaga yung pinaka-explanation sa akin.
I guess. Pero ano pa rin eh. Like, that's from the future and that future doesn't exist anymore. So how come that camera still exists? Oh, 10 meter. Pero alam ko yung explanation na yun is for the fucking warp. Yung sa pag-warp. Oh, yan. It's fucking... Yan. That's a warp. I feel like a plot hole yung video camera na yun.
Yun na nga. Yung idea ko is like, inorganic objects do not apply with time travel. They're like immune to paradoxes or some shit like that. So, it's not
Maybe.
really, ano bang tawag doon? Kasi diba, if you still remember, there's like a clip of him bringing a newspaper article of what? Like the fucking plane crash or some shit. And hindi
Right.
naman nangyari yun. Oh, gets mo? It's an inorganic
Right.
object.
Oh, right. Oo nga. Dala-dala
Okay.
niya yung fucking newspaper.
Does that
And he
explain it,
also
diba?
double-checked.
Oo, ayun. He double-checked everything nga, diba? Ayun.
Oo.
Is that okay of an explanation na for you?
Yeah, that's a really good explanation.
Problem solved.
Yeah, problem solved.
Ayan, at
Uh,
least that answers your
although
question. Okay, sige.
something is still being affected though. Remember sa ending,
Oo.
the triple camera ending.
Ay, dalawa lang! Dad always had two
Remember?
cameras, sabi niya.
No, Babo. Remember, here's why it's triple. Ayan. Can you guess how many cameras are here?
It's like three. I think yung
Exactly.
isa sa kanya na yun. By sa kanya, I
Mm,
mean Chris. I don't know.
Yes. Pero remember, kung ano nangyayari sa scene na to, kung ano yung napanood nila.
It's like the timeline.
Ayan, when did we get a video camera? It's this camera. Yung nagpe-play na video dito is this scene. Well, not necessarily this scene, but the scene from the very start.
Fair. You have a point there na nga naman.
Exactly. So like,
So it's not, iniisip ko nasa POV na lang talaga yan. Pero binaba niya
maybe.
ba? I think nasa camera na lang ba? Pero binaba niya ba yan?
Yung,
Did she like,
ito?
yun na nga.
Yan.
Ayan, okay. So, iniisip ko talaga if either hindi niya camera yon. Kasi, 'di ba sabi niya, nakapangalan daw sa father nila, Ben Raskin.
Oo.
Tapos yung isa din may Ben Raskin. So, that
Yes.
just means na sa kanya yung video cam na ginagamit niya ngayon. Yun
Ngayon.
yung
Oo.
binaba
Pero,
niya.
that clip came from... Hindi, I mean, I guess they could just swap fucking cameras. To be
Yun na
honest.
nga.
Tapos ayun. He definitely watched the entire fucking thing.
Halata
He watched the
naman.
entire 1 hour and 40 minutes of this video.
Oh my god, yeah.
It's a fucking fourth wall break.
Mhm.
And ayan, so he knows the fucking future. He knows that she likes her. So like what? I guess they're still gonna be rich. I'm guessing since they probably
Yeah,
had
depende
lottery
pa rin.
numbers
Kasi
too.
minsan, di ba, yun nga, yun din yung magiging problem dyan. Di ba nga, yung kay, I forgot the professor's name. Di
Lou.
ba nga tinatanong niya kung ano yung atomic weight ng ganito ganyan. Pinapatuloy
Oo.
niya yung periodic table, ganito ganyan.
Yeah.
O, di ba pa iba-iba din yun. So there's a chance
Mm-mm.
maybe the lottery also gets
Have
affected.
changed.
Oo, yeah, it would have changed or
Maybe.
something. Yeah,
That's true.
ayan. At least.
And I also think that changed every time Quinn made a different move. Yan. Like every time he makes another move. Yan, let's dance, Lou. Tas ayan yung atomic weight of fluorine.
Oo.
Tapos ito
Groundhog
naman,
Day.
different move. Nagkaroon ng hand clap.
Oo.
Tas ayan, he threw the fucking shit. So
Fist
that
bag.
causes another, another riff. Like he
Oo.
doesn't do everything the same thing
Oo.
step by step.
Oo.
He does everything differently. That's why nagkakaroon ng different interactions between each other.
Oo. Kaya hindi siya consistent.
Like if only this bitch learned how to move exactly the same way he moved. Then ayun.
Nag-complain ko pa sa kanya yung
They
ugali
could have
niya
been-
ganyan.
Diba nga? They could have been done with this bullshit
Agad.
first try.
Yun na nga.
Oo. Yun yung nakuha kong concept about the time traveling in this fucking movie. And I love it. I like it.
Ayan.
Still, I guess it could be a Deus Ex Machina na lang. Fucking, the whole rule about you can't really see the same person. You can't really see the time jump person. Or there can't be 2 time jump people in one timeline.
Not really 2 times. It applies nga, yun nga in-explain ko last time, like, yung sa The Umbrella Academy, yung sinabi nga ni
Mhm.
Five, it applies the same here naman. Na,
I mean like,
ano?
like, yun na, yung sinasabi ko like, asan yung isang nag-time jump?
yung
original
dun
na
sa,
nag-time jump?
yung
Oo.
reset. Yun kasi, yung sa The Umbrella Academy, si Five nakikita pa rin nila yung nila.
Oo. Ayun rin
yun na
kasi
nga,
yung
iba
rules
kasi,
sa
magkaiba yung rules nila, I guess. Yun yung masasabi natin. Just like, di ba nga, I asked you to compare yung sa The Umbrella Academy and Marvel.
Oo. Tsaka, I guess, ayun rin kasi yung rule with The Flash and let's get something
Yun
yellow.
naman The
or-
Flash.
yan.
I'm the Flash! Oh my god.
Pero ayun na nga, like, doon na nga sa The Flash nga, di ba? Like, we can see Barry Allen going back to the past where he saves Nora.
Oo.
Tapos nasa closet yung isang Barry
Oo.
and saying and telling this Barry to, no, don't stop it.
Oo.
And or stuff like that. Or no, other way around. Like, itong Barry nito is the original Barry that saved the original Barry. Tapos ito yung nag-time jump pabalik para to save Nora. And like, inside the closet, they're spinning around. Wee! That's my understanding or scuffed comprehension or
Eto.
a scuffed explanation of my
I
comprehension.
found something na at least same sa iniisip mo. Do you want me to read it?
Yeah?
From the user Evan Potter 99 from Reddit. Wow! I will
Evan Potter.
quote yung statement niya about yung plot hole na kinakalito mo. So, the major problem with that is the two cameras at the end. Yun, di ba? Tama ako. Ayun. We know one camera was used for his 7th birthday party. Ayun, di ba?
Yes.
That's one camera. At the beginning of the movie, there is only one camera which they then use to document their project. Where this gets tricky is if he were stuck in a loop. Wouldn't he have like a million cameras in the attic? Only explanation I have is not every loop plays out the same. It is shown that they have documented things on different cameras, i.e. GoPro, camera on backpack, etc. etc.
Yeah.
But when he leaves the backpack in the past, the GoPro should still exist in 2014. To me, that means most of the found footage we see was probably on a phone or the second video recorder or a phone, a sick Windows phone that will totally be super successful and outsell the iPhone. So, yun na. They already had before they found the one in the attic, which means most of the footage showing everything that happened in one timeline would not be available in another. Yun nga yung sabi ko, ibang device yung ginagamit nila on certain, like, kunwari, sinasabi na document this, hindi yung same camera yung ginagamit nila. May it be just their phone, yun na nga, GoPro, ganito, ganyan.
I mean, yeah, true,
Kaya,
pero
ayun.
they're using the same tape though.
Mm-mm.
Kasi this entire movie is taken from a perspective of a stolen tape. Or a found tape. Documented tape. Kaya yun.
Ayun. Do you want me to talk yung sa, yung theory ni Evan Potter 99?
Sure.
Okay, so this is his theory daw from on the original timeline. David finds the plants organically and builds the time machine. So, ayun nga, di ba? Goes back to save his dad. Note in the movie, he expressed that it was his wish to save his dad when talking with Jesse. He talks with his dad and realizes for his timeline to exist, his dad had to leave and get in that crash or the butterfly effect would happen and destroy his world. Yung parang sa Umbrella Academy nga lang din with 5 trying to save his original timeline BS. Ayun. Instead, he leaves the camera behind and travels back to his current present and lives on. But since we know inorganic matter doesn't go away, his mom finds the camera, puts it in a box in the attic, and boom, the cycle continues. My biggest proof of the past, present, future all happening at once theory is when they were still testing the machine on the toy car. When it flickered, it showed the scene of Jesse in David's bed, which we know happened after David solo jumped to make sure he didn't blow it with her at the Lollapalooza. Tapos, ayun na nga. That's about it. Tapos ito pa, comment niya, it is one of those movies that is interesting and will never get a true answer unless the writers tell us or they make a sequel daw. Which will probably never happen. Pero ayun na nga, hindi ako sure kung na-pick up mo nga yun when they like first jump back. Yun nga ang clip ni Jesse. Hindi ka ba nun nagtaka kung bakit that showed up even though that hasn't happened yet early on?
Not really. Wait lang. Oh, yun.
Nakita mo na?
Ayun.
Basta
Yes,
yun.
two
Yan.
friends.
Yeah, at least nakita mo na, right?
Yeah. Okay. It was way too short for me to see. Don't blame me.
Tapos alam mo ako na in great detail, tinitignan ko lahat.
We watched this entire thing with no stopping.
Yeah,
Pero
true.
continuing.
Hanggang dun lang yung yung proof nga ni Evan Potter's 99. Ayun, it's like a solid proof nga. Okay, sige. What about time lapse then?
Time lapse.
Oo,
Everything is predetermined. They can't escape their future.
Boot Hill paradox. Not Boot Hill.
Bootstrap.
How was the movie naman pala sa'yo sa Project Almanac? Is it better
Really
talaga
good.
compared to
Time
time lapse?
lapse.
Oo.
Yeah, they explored a lot of the concept of time in Project Almanac rather than sa time lapse where they focused on personal problems talaga with a little bit of touching onto the future.
With a little
Yes.
bit of time travel into the mix.
Uh, like, ito na. I like Project Almanac more because they really went into detail with all timey-wimey bullshit.
Okay, in terms of 5 then, sige, sa Umbrella Academy, how can you
Oh,
compare it doon?
we literally had an entire season dedicated to Five's time travel abilities. No,
Oo.
actually, not just one season. After season 1, the entire thing. No, wait, the entire fucking
The
series is about
Umbrella
Five's
Academy is
time
about
travel.
5's time travel, oo. About saving his family, yada yada yada, yun na nga. Compare
Yun
it
na
to
nga,
that then.
like, it all started with that time travel bullshit. Yung concept kasi ni Five, yung time travel ni Five is really niche. Not really niche, it's really, yun na yung generalized concept of what time travel is. So, what happens if you meet your own self in time traveling? Or like, yung concept ni Five kasi is like, yung general consensus of what will happen if you meet yourself. Which is, some random bad bullshit happening. Anything he does causes a butterfly effect. Talaga. Like, ayun, like, fucking meeting Harold? Was that his name?
Harold, yung the child that got Vanya's, Victor, my bad. Victor's, powers.
No, my bad, not Harold.
Sabi mo Harold, si Harold kasi yung nakakuha ng
My bad,
power ni Victor.
not Harold. Not Harold. Si, yung tatay.
Si Reginald? Reginald
Ayun,
Hargreaves?
si Reginald. Yan. Harold, ang layo.
Tapos
Like,
inisip ko nga rin, hindi rin Harold yung pangalan ng bata doon.
Pero like, Reginald met them. And stuff like that. Yung concept kasi ni Five on time traveling is that it's sort of like Marvel. Time jump to the past, right? Tapos supposedly
Okay.
it's gonna go smooth sailing yan. Pero when they met Reginald in the past, it turned to orange
Wait,
na lang.
which past? Because maraming past na
Ayun, yung
na-meet nila
unang
si
time
Reginald.
jump.
The first one?
Yung namatay si, JJK, JFK. The
Yes,
JFK shooting.
Jujutsu Kaisen died.
Pero when they met Reginald after or before the
Ano
JFK
yung
shooting,
alien version ba yung sinasabi mo?
alien version.
Yeah, it was revealed that Reginald was an alien dun. Did you
No,
forget?
that's season 5. This is season 2
No,
or 3.
yun nga, season 2 then, it was revealed that Reginald was an alien nun.
Really?
Did you forget? Have you
Yun pa
forgotten
sa
Lafayette?
Pero anyway, ayun na lang. Ayun na nga. Like, ayan, got sent to another timeline. Like, branched out na and stuff like that. And since nag-branch out sila,
Uh-huh.
Five could not jump back here kasi yung jump niya is pa ganun. So when he jumped back to here, nandito siya sa may orange.
So basically, he created a new timeline.
He created a new timeline nga where hindi sila yung it's not the Umbrella Academy, it's the Sparrow Academy.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's the Sparrow Academy. Tapos,
Mm-mm.
when they kept jumping again, I
They
forgot
kept
which
making
one.
new and new
Oo.
timelines.
I'm not sure if this was the train scene na nun when they kept jumping. Tapos, ibang version na naman ng, I think nagka-Raven din. Ata, or some shit with,
I honestly think because of etong una pa lang, then the first part of him jumping, after that creating other branches, those branches turned into a fucking train station.
yeah, I guess so,
I think
yeah.
that's what happened.
Kaya
And that train
nagka-diner
station,
dun
oh,
sa
that train
sa
station
season 5.
became, no, season
Oh,
Strawberry Event did not
no,
happen.
did not happen. The strawberry event did not happen, guys. Natapos
Pero,
ang Umbrella Academy sa season 2.
pero ayun na, like, because of that shit happening, I feel like yung nangyari dun is that the train station bullshit appeared. Like yung the TVA ng the Umbrella
Yun na nga,
Academy.
the commission. Hindi, yun yung
The
TVA nila.
commission,
Oo, the
basta
commission.
yun, with that technology created a fucking bullshit of a fucking train station, and that
Oo.
train station is travels between all of the fucking bullshit
Timelines, oo.
nandito. Like ayan.
Okay
It's a
then.
fucking it's a Japanese
Train
L train.
station, oo. Then, can you compare Loki's time travel with the Umbrella Academy's time travel then?
The thing with Loki kasi is that they exist in a different space.
Oo. Hindi ba that's the same shit naman with 5, like wherein I mean not 5, the commission, hindi ba that's the same with the TVA? They exist in a space na hindi nga sila affected and all that.
No. Kapag naalala mo, the commission is an actual place in the real world, not
Yeah,
a
yun
different
nga, it's a
space.
different space nga.
No, it's not a different space. It's still the real world set in a different time.
Yeah, different. No, not really, to be honest.
Or did you mean the train station?
No, hindi yung train station, yung commission
Yung
nga.
mismong HQ nila.
Oo.
Alam ko, pinakita rin na it's actually from the future. Yung commission na yun. Kaya nga nandun yung say Future 5, siya yung yung nagbibigay ng
the
source of
rotting
time
corpse
traveling.
sa
The
baba
rotting
ng
corpse of 5.
on the
Kasi
fucking
that's-
bunker.
Ayun na. Kasi that's the future. And ayun, 5 created the commission, that type of bullshit.
Oo. I mean, I
Like,
guess.
sabi nga ng other 5, there has to be one
Which
5 to
one?
create the commission.
Which one? Which
Any
other
of the fucking
5?
5s, to be honest. Yung kumakain.
The one he's sitting across with. Akala ko kasi yung waiter,
Oo.
ang pogi kasi ng waiter pa ng chef dun eh.
They're all okay.
Ay, wala. Makikita mo, iba yung hairstyle nila, okay? You can't fight me on that one.
Yeah, sure. Anyway.
Ba't
to-
dinaway
yung
mo?
I'm not.
You
Ayun,
are, tangin niya.
piliin natin yung green for Loki.
Sure.
Yung kasi yung time sleeping kasi ni Loki is that, or well, let's say, yes, nasa different space ang, Blue is Sacred Timeline.
Okay, so the predetermined
the actual.
timeline. Okay.
Yellow is the TVA.
Okay.
The red one is yung palace ni Kang. So, ang nangyari dun kasi sa ending ng season 1 is that when Kang died and other stuff like that, Loki got sent back to the past of the TVA. So that means under the palace ni Kang, yung TVA, may sariling timeline din siya,
Oh,
which is
I see.
separate from the Sacred
The
Timeline.
sacred timeline, okay.
Oo. So, it's like this ang mangyayari dyan. So, let's say, yun nga, yung blue is yung sacred timeline. Ang mangyayari dyan is that this entire thing is a sacred
Mhm.
timeline. And then, surrounding it is
Is the
yung
TVA.
timeline ng
Okay.
TVA.
I
Yes.
see. Bro's the protector of the timeline.
Yeah, to be honest. So, may sariling timeline to na separate.
Mhm.
This part of sacred timeline can be set into different parts, I guess. Na lang, like each part has their own sacred timeline that can see all the way to the ending type of
Okay.
bullshit. Yung sinasabi nila. Okay. So, behind that naman is yung separate timeline. So, ito yung timeline ni Kang. This is lagging.
I mean, to
this
be fair, your
brush
brush
is way
is too big.
This red shit is Kang.
Okay.
This is like a fucking road.
Yellow brick
What
road.
the fuck am I illustrating? To be honest, this is just a big fucking circle. There's no straight line in here. sa
Okay.
world ni Kang,
Uh-huh.
I guess. Talagang inside lang is there's a straight line for
Okay.
yung timeline ng TVA. So, when he died, or when Kang died, Loki all of a sudden got sent to the fucking past. Like,
Okay.
andyan siya.
Nandyan siya.
And since he's not meant to be there, nagkakaroon ng time slipping sa kanya. Like,
Oh.
he's being continuously being sent here, anywhere,
So,
everywhere.
randomly siya na,
Or randomly, like
so,
he
it's
can't
like yung
control it.
sa, yun nga, it's like the train station nga sa The Umbrella Academy din. Kasi hindi nga
Oo.
nila alam nun on which station they're gonna land on or something
Oo,
like
where
that.
to navigate. Or how to navigate.
Oo.
And stuff like that. And over time naman the story, Loki found out that he can actually control
Time.
his time slipping
Ayun.
by by through some fucking glorious purpose bullshit. The power of glorious purpose. Or where he needs to be in type of bullshit.
Wow.
Like subconsciously niya nagagawa. And then ayun, because of that, he managed to become like the god of time itself, I guess.
Akala ko God
Managed to
of War.
control it. Sure.
Siya na daw
Well,
yung may
like,
hawak na binding. Yung pagkumoto.
because of his power, he can now exist outside of everything.
Oh.
Which he can nga naman.
Yeah, true. But he became a tree by the end of season 2.
Well, kasi he exists outside na kasi now he can also travel through where Kang is at any point of given time. This is a really confusing fucking illustration to be
Hindi,
honest. I'm not
okay
even sure
lang.
if I'm explaining it right.
You are, don't worry. Nagigets ko naman.
Pero ayun na, since now he can jump through anywhere in this fucking plane. Pero he can never stop the ending.
Yeah,
Which is
yun na nga.
So, unless he changes what TVA is at all. So, it comes to a point where he controls the TVA now. He is the tree.
Wow, yun na nga.
And he is now Kang. So,
So,
yeah,
what
he
happened
is
to
now the
Deadpool
entire-
din? Diba lumabas din yung TVA sa Deadpool?
Oh, yung TVA sa Deadpool. Oo. And
Yeah,
if
pero
I recall
Deadpool fourth
correctly,
wall breaks din naman, so I can get why naman.
fourth wall breaks that nobody understands how it works. Not even TVA.
Yeah, true.
Natatawa nga rin yung fourth wall break where the 20th Century Fox logo is nasa
Nandun
point.
sa oo.
Pero and going back, yeah, si Deadpool naman kasi if I recall, one of the scenes there sa Deadpool movie is that pinakita yung branches of the tree. So that means Deadpool and Wolverine happens after Loki season 2.
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah, it does. It happens after the Loki series na. Kasi nga ayun na nga, like, how the fuck is he able to jump through all of the time? Bullshit. And there's stuff like that. Loki is holding everything right naman and preventing everything from colliding. But I don't... Kasi the problem with that naman kasi is that if Loki prevents it from colliding, paano magkakaroon ng Secret Wars?
O yan, sige.
Anyway.
Let's talk about this naman. So, sa lahat ng mga napanood natin, which concept of time travel, do you like the most?
The Flash!
Sige, ibato na rin natin yung Life is Strange dito. Sige.
Oh no! Oh my god, really?
Oo, ibato na rin natin yung Life is Strange dito.
Here's the thing with Life is Strange. Life is Strange is basically Project Almanac.
But,
Pero much more
Max is
intense
just the,
yung
Max is the machine.
Max is just the time machine.
Oo.
Pero other than that, sa Life is Strange kasi much more intense yung consequences niya eh.
Yeah, true. It's the tornado, right? If I'm remembering correctly.
Oo. The giant tornado. That's a huge ass fucking butterfly effect that we can't really explain how the fuck that happened.
Yeah, up until now, I also don't get that, honestly.
Honestly, I think it's just fate trying to balance itself.
Probably,
Yun lang
yeah.
yung
Oo.
naiisip kong
Of her trying to change, like, Chloe's
Everything.
death. Oo.
Oo, Chloe's death. I feel like it's just, yun na yung sinasabi din nila. Other than the butterfly effect, alam ko sinabi rin sa theory, inside the game, alam ko minention din to, na, if you go back to the past to save one life, time will still correct itself and kill someone else.
Oh, yung someone else na yun is too many people.
Yeah, too many people.
Oo. Sa Project Almanac, what would you do nga naman?
Honestly, if it's killing too many, or if it's doing more harm than good talaga, then yeah, I would do the same. Destroy the fucking machine na lang. It is not
Yun
a good
din yung
thing.
hindi ko gets with... Na, I think I get it naman, I guess. Like, it's like being God, sabi nga nila. Like, you have the
Mhm.
power to do this and that. You have chances, not just a second chance, to be honest. Pero
Mhm.
yung gusto ko kasi in terms of Doctor Strange, agad nang pinapakita yung consequences of his actions. Kaya, I like Marvel's concept of consequences, I guess. To be honest, I think same din sa Umbrella Academy. Ikaw ba? In terms of consequences, which one would you take? Kunwari nga, ayun, anong tawag doon? Like, inabuso mo yung power of, time travel. Which consequences would you take then? Would you want to be, chased by the TVA, the commission?
Or what? Do we get changed by fucking Time Reapers ng The Flash?
Yun na nga. Ayun.
To be honest, kung ganun, I'd pick Marvel.
Yung sa Marvel na lang.
Yung sa TVA. Thank you for joining my TED Talk.
Oh my god. The TED Talk for after watching Project Almanac.